If your hair has been shedding, thinning, or your scalp just doesn't feel right, this game changer two-step routine will change everything like it did for me. The first step is using my Divi Scalp Detox Serum. This step helps to clear away buildup, balances oil production, and supports blood circulation with ingredients like caffeine and tea tree oil. It is a water based, lightweight, non greasy consistency, and it gives me that clean skin feeling but for my scalp. So it literally feels like a spa in the bottle with that deep tingling sensation that we all love and that deeply relaxes me. This product is great if you need like a midweek pick me up without having to wash your hair. Maybe you're wearing protective styles, you're wearing braids, or maybe you're like an active gym girly that just gets a lot of sweat on the scalp and you just want that quick refresh midweek. The second step in my scalp care routine is using my DIY Ayurvedic scalp oil. So I infuse this with growth boosting herbs such as alma seeds, fenugreek, curry leaves, and so many more that supports a healthy scalp, helps to reduce thinning and hair loss while also boosting growth. This oil nourishes my follicles, strengthens the roots, and deeply calm my nervous system because scalp care is self-regulation, right? We are trying to relax this year and allow our hair and scalp to flourish. So this is key. So a key tip is to make sure that you warm up your oil in a little bit of hot water on the stove. This is going to help it to be a much more relaxing experience while also allowing it to penetrate further into those hair follicles. Once you are done, you want to use your scalp massaging tool to further deeply allow that scalp serum detox and those Ayurvedic herbs to reach deep into those hair follicles where they are going to be able to perform and do their magic. This is also super relaxing to us, which helps us to be a great fertile ground for hair growth. My scalp is fertile ground. My hair grows in abundance. My scalp is fertile ground. My hair grows in abundance. My scalp is fertile ground. My hair grows in abundance. That is the perfect affirmation to ignite growth and to be kind and loving towards your hair.